Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through the automatic post-publishing feature on this Marketic software. This is the main interface of the software. There you go. Here we can select the viral marketing section, which has the feature to post on your personal page. So we'll select this section. Here you can post with 10, 20, 30 or even 40 accounts at the same time. No problem at all. Here we will load the accounts that we currently have. I'll select the account category here and click load. And it will show, here for example, I have 10 accounts. There you go. Once we've selected the accounts, we'll choose, this is where you set how many accounts to post with simultaneously. Here I'll post with all 10 accounts at once. Then select the time configuration range and choose the content. That's it. Here I'll load the content. You can either post the same content or different content on each account. Here we click to save it. That's it. Click OK. Once everything is selected, all we need to do is, well, you can also add a link, a hashtag, or directly interact with your own post. Here I don't need to do that. And all I have to do is click start and that's it. Alright, goodbye everyone. Here on my computer is the group for Likewan on your side, bro.